Hello children, welcome to our PBL class. Today we are going to start our lesson number describing a journey part 2 Riya's experience. Okay? Children, in the last lesson we have learnt about Riya's excitement. Now in this lesson we are going to see Riya's experience. As soon as the train arrived, Riya and Riwaz were amazed to see how long the train was. Amazed means they surprised how long the train was. Riwaz asked his father, how will we find out seat in such a huge train? Yes, children, our coach and seat number are written on the ticket. And with the help of this ticket, we can search our place or our seat. The family boarded the train and the porter helped them with the luggage. Okay. Riya and the Riwaz hurriedly means speedily occupied the vacant window seat and started looking out. Occupied means they engaged the seat and settled down. And in the vacant place means empty place. Okay. Then after some time, Riya noticed that there were hardly any people at the platform. She asked her father, where has the crowd gone? He told her that the people waiting outside had occupied their seat inside the train. Some people inside the train were standing. Riya asked, why are some people standing? How will they travel such a long distance while standing? Her father replied, these people are not here to travel. They have come here to say goodbye to their relatives. They will get off the train when it is about to move. Riwaz saw the lights and fans in the compartment. Yes, children, may you also have observed, what kind of places are available on the train? Yes, seat on which people can sleep, hanging points for bottles, etc. Tray table in between the window seat, and space under the seat to keep luggage, charging point, etc. Okay? His grandmother said it is good that the toilet is near our seats. I won't have to walk much to use it. He asked, will we be in the train for the whole night, Grandpa? His grandfather smiled and said, yes, Riwaz, we will reach Ujjain tomorrow morning. He heard a loud horn and saw people getting off the train in a hurry. The train started moving slowly and soon left the platform behind. Riya looked outside the window. She saw many trees and fields. She saw many trees and fields. She was fascinated, interested to see everything moving very fast. She asked her mother, why is everything outside the train moving very fast? Do you also think the same, children? Her mother asked her, have you ever seen trees moving? Riya scratch means scrap means mark surface of something with sharp pointed objects. Most of the time when we are thinking something, we used to do like this. Yeah. Then she replied, never. Children, when train is in the running, the trees appears to be in moving opposite direction while traveling in a train, because the position of the trees is changing with respect to us. Yeah, we are on the stationary position, but the position of the trees are changing. That's why it looks like the trees are running. Okay, whereas our co-passenger in a train seem to be at stationary position because their position is not changing with respect to us. Okay? Riwaz saw his father showing the ticket to a man in a black and white uniform. He asked his father, who is he? Why are you showing your ticket to him? Remember, you told me not to share things with the strangers? Yes, most of the time your parents also saying, don't take anything from the strangers, don't share anything with the strangers, don't talk with the strangers. Yeah, same the Riva's father also told him. That's why he is saying, why you are showing your ticket to that stranger, that unknown person. The man in the uniform smiled at him and told him, I am the ticket checker. People call me TC and say, I am here to check whether everybody has a ticket to travel in the train. You can read the ticket to know the details of your journey, children. Rivas took the ticket from him and tried reading it, but he could not understand anything. So he returned the ticket to his father. His father taught him how to read it. Children, whenever we travel by public transport like bus, train, we need a ticket. A lot of important information such as starting point of the journey from where we are starting our journey, and destination means कहाँ जाना है हमको, when we are going to reach, and number and the name of the train and the coach and the berth number are mentioned on it. Here is one ticket has given in on that train number is there, distance is there, train number, distance, source, destination, seat number, date of the journey, cost of the ticket means what is the price, cost of the ticket, destination means where we are going to reach, then coach, all things are written here. Please solve these, children, and send it to my email ID. This is the activity for you. Ria saw her mother and grandmother chatting with the people sitting next to them. There were some children with them too. Ria and the Rivas also made friends with them. They started playing Ludo. After a while, their grandmother opened the food box and aroma of the tasty food filled the air. Means the sense of smell explore our food before we eat it. Means it is tasty. Yeah. A family ate together. They bought snacks from the train vendor. Vendor means a person or the company offering something for sale. Yes, so many vendors are there on the railway station also, who is selling the biscuits, chocolates, chips, all these things. Okay, they also bought the snacks from them, and they all are having a good time. As soon as the night arrived, they started feeling sleepy. Yeah, Riva slept with his mother and Ria slept with her grandmother on the lower berth. Okay, yes, we used to mostly peoples used to allow the small children to sleep on lower berth because it is easy to go washroom. Okay, then their father and the grandfather settle on the upper berth. Okay, in the morning, Ria wake up to her father's voice. He was saying, "Get up, Ria, we have almost reached Ujjain." She woke up and saw that everyone was already up. Soon the train halted, means come to an end or rest at a platform. She saw her uncle waiting for them. The family picked up the luggage and got off the train. They met and greet means do the welcome, greeted their uncle, and his uncle was very happy to see all of them together. He had bought his van to take them home. While on the road, Ria saw a horse cart on which some people were sitting. Ria was excited to look at it and she said, "Mom, I also want to ride the horse cart." Her mother nodded, means lower and raised one's head slightly, means understanding. Okay, means she understand, and she nodded his head and said, "Let's reach the wedding venue." Venue means place, and freshen up. We will meet our relatives and then we can certainly take a ride on that cart. Horse cart means children like tanga. We used to say tanga. Okay. Most of the time we are also very excited children when we are going to the new places and we are seeing the new things, then we are very excited about it. Yes, same happen with the Riya also. She is also very excited and she has a lot of experience while traveling. Okay, what did Riya experience while traveling by a train? Yes, most of the things she experienced. What things she has experienced means she saw porter carrying the luggage, TC who is checking the tickets, and all. She observed the ticket of the train, all the things whatever mentioned on the ticket, means seat number, cost of the ticket, what is the destination, all these things she has experienced while traveling, and that eating, the aroma of the food, and then the trees are running, all these things she has observed. Okay, children, this is your homework worksheet. I will attach this with your homework. Then here how to solve I will explain you. You discuss how Riya saw various things while traveling in the train. She has filled the table given below based on her experience. Okay, these things, whatever things here are mentioned, these things are based on this experience or Riya's experience. Okay, now you have to write here. Now use describing word to write whatever you see here or feel while traveling back home from school and fill the table. Here whatever I have underlined, this is the experience of Riya while traveling in train. Now you have to fill the other boxes, what you have saw, what you have smelled, what you have heard, what you have felt, all these things while traveling in the bus from school. Okay, home from traveling back home from school means स्कूल से घर जाते टाइम आप जो भी एक्सपीरियंस करते हो वो आपको यू हैव टू राइट डाउन हियर. ओके, किए हो आपने जो भी, यू हैव टू राइट डाउन हियर. Means whatever what you have to write here. First, what you have saw while traveling back home from school, what you have saw on the road, on the outside of the road. Okay, what you have smelled, means you have smelled the aroma of the pakoda or aroma of the pani puri, whatever. Then what you have heard, maybe you are traveling on the road now, then what you have heard, here she has written loud horn of train. Then while traveling by the bus, then maybe you have observed the loud horn of the truck, then a scooter, the voice of the scooter. Okay, all these things you have to write down here. Then what you have felt, means while traveling, maybe you have the jerk. Okay, in the bus also, suddenly if bus stop, then you have jerk. All this experience you have to write down in these boxes. Then use the word from the table to describe your journey. Whatever you have written here in these boxes, if you are writing something here, something here, something there, according to that make the sentence and write down in these places here about your journey. Means what smelt you have, make the sentences about your journey when you are going back from school, you are going back from school to home. Okay, write down about this in this, fill in the blanks about this and write your sentences. Children, did you experience something that should not be done while traveling? Describe it. Also write the reason behind it. Means we should be careful while using public transport and follow all the rules. We should keep the platform. Buses and the train clean. Running inside the bus or the train or listening to loud music may disturb other passengers and could be dangerous. Or you have to take care about your luggages. Okay, all these things, whatever you want to be done while traveling should not be done while traveling. You have to be write down here and write the reason behind it, why we should be careful or why we should not be done. Children, the Royal Rajasthan on Wheels takes you through a 7-day exploration of Rajasthan. The journey begins from New Delhi. The train runs through the state of Rajasthan while halting at the places such as Jodhpur, Udaipur, Chittorgarh, Savai Madhopur, and Jaipur. Okay. Most of the hill stations are having the narrow gauge train to see the sceneries of this place. Ria came back from Ujjain. She shared the experience of her journey with her friends at school. After a few months, as her summer holidays approaches, her friends started to talk about the places they were planning to visit during the holiday with their families. One day, Ria came home thinking about it. Let us read what happened next. That we will see in the next lesson. Hope children you all have understood the lesson, Ria's excitement, Ria's experience, and I will attach new words and their meaning with your homework. Please copy it in your notebook and read carefully this lesson and underline the new words. In this lesson you will get the all new words regarding the travel. Okay children, we will start next lesson afterwards. Then till that time, goodbye, have a nice day, take care. Thank you.